Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig from Julia Hair. Now this unit is a lace front, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Of course I start with an unboxing, but jumping into the hair, this texture to me was like a light yaki. It's very different for me. It's something I haven't done, so I was super excited to try it out. Now this is how the wig looks. You definitely do not need to pluck this unit, so I actually didn't pluck anything from this wig, but I did bleach it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the hair, and then I of course washed that out and shampooed this unit. I was nervous to shampoo it because it's like a yaki texture. I've never shampooed any texture like shampooed any wig that texture, and this was so pretty. I let it air dry, and then this is how it looks after it air dried. So definitely beautiful. And like I said, I didn't do any plucking with this unit, so this is definitely beginner friendly. I would count myself as a beginner for lace fronts, so if I can do it, you guys can do it too. This wig was so easy and it fit my head perfectly. Typically I have issues with wigs fitting because I do have a larger head, but this one fit perfect. So if you're interested, definitely go ahead and try it out. I have all the links in the description box below, and like I said, this texture was really pretty. It was just something different for me, something I haven't done before. So of course, with it being such a nice new texture, I wanted to try out some wand curls. So later on in the video, I'm gonna wand curl this wig. I just thought that like the curls would be maybe like a little bit bigger, a good full look, just because of this texture. So again, go ahead, try this wig out, guys. It's super cute, definitely worth it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video for more content, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video.